In this video, I'm going to give you a quick and honest review of the M1 Finance app. If you're looking for a no-fee investing platform that allows you to automate your portfolio and easily manage your finances, M1 Finance might have come across your radar. With a sleek, user-friendly design and a wide range of investment options, it promises to help you build wealth, whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor.
I've spent some time using it, and I'm here to break down its key features, pros, and a few things you might want to consider before you dive in. M1 Finance offers a unique approach to investing through what they call pies. These pies let you create a custom portfolio with a mix of stocks, ETFs, and even entire sectors. It's a very visual and customizable way to allocate your funds, and it's super easy to see where your money is going. You can even choose from pre-made portfolios based on your investment goals, whether that's growth, income, or something balanced. One of the standout features of M1 Finance is the automatic rebalancing feature. Whenever your investments deviate from your original allocation, the app will automatically adjust them for you, ensuring your portfolio stays aligned with your goals without any manual effort. This takes a lot of the guesswork out of investing and gives you peace of mind that your portfolio is always optimized. M1 Finance also offers commission-free trading, which is a huge advantage over many traditional brokers. There's no need to worry about paying fees when buying or selling stocks or ETFs. Plus, the platform doesn't have account minimums, so it's very beginner-friendly. Whether you're investing $100 or $10,000, M1 Finance allows you to get started without feeling penalized for a smaller balance. For those looking for more than just investing, M1 Finance offers a cash management feature where you can earn a competitive interest rate on uninvested funds. You also get access to a flexible checking account with a debit card, which is super convenient for managing both your savings and spending in one place. However, there are a couple of downsides. First, M1 Finance doesn't allow individual stock trading the way some other platforms do. Instead, you have to trade within your pie, so you don't have the same level of flexibility when it comes to picking and choosing individual stocks. Additionally, some users have reported slower customer support, which might be a concern if you need help quickly. Overall, M1 Finance is a great choice for anyone who wants to automate their investing and take a more hands-off approach. With commission-free trading, automatic rebalancing, and customizable portfolios, it's a solid platform, especially for beginners. Just keep in mind the limitations with individual stock trading and potential delays with customer support. Let me know in the comments if you've tried M1 Finance or are considering switching to it. If this review helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.